Alright guys, so quickly I'll be walking you through how to add liquidity to any token, how to contribute to the liquidity. Alright, so I'm simply gonna go to PancakeSwap. I'm gonna go to PancakeSwap, and it has opened. Once it opens, you go to liquidity. Look at liquidity here. You go to liquidity, this place, you go here. Okay, yeah, this is liquidity. Go to the liquidity section, which is here. Okay, go to that place, and then click on it, click on liquidity. All right, so accept add liquidity, and then the next thing is that you're gonna select the very coin you want to use in providing the liquidity. Okay, I want to use BUSD. Simply select BUSD. I think I have $500 here. Okay, and then what coin am I contributing to its liquidity? That's I'll be using what's that again? I'll be using SMT. Okay, I have 40k SMT currently, so, but the thing now is that the liquidity I'll be adding now will need to be of equal amount to the BUSD I have. So I click on max. Okay, so what it means is that if I'm contributing $500, I'll be also contributing 7,567.92 of these SMT. All right, so I have to approve BUSD. I'm waiting for it to load up. Okay, approve it. I approve it, and then the next thing for me to do is to also approve SMT. I approve SMT. It's loading up. Okay, I approve that as well. I approve it. Okay, it's still approving, right? So the next thing for me to do now is to supply. All right, I'm gonna supply. Right, I'm gonna supply. Right, you could just scroll down here to see the LP tokens in your wallet, SMT BUSD. All right, SMT BUSD. So I have to click on this supply here. Okay, so you see what it's telling me. You will receive 1937. Okay, BUSD sample tokens and all that. And okay, let me keep it too. I need to get the screenshots because I'll be needing it. Okay, so the next thing now is to click on confirm supply. All right, I'm waiting for it to confirm transaction. Okay, I've simply approved that. So this is how you supply liquidity. All right, so let me view it on Binance Smart Chain scan, BSC scan. Okay, don't bother about this, it needs to load up. All right, boots, this verify. Okay, so basically that's how you supply liquidity. Thanks.